Hello, this is Hui. Welcome to watch my video Python scripting on Linux. In this short video, we're going to demonstrate very basic the variable and the printing of variables here on the Linux terminal. First we check if Python has been installed or not. We can use the which command to python to say our Python is installed. And so if check the version, which is using the Python, so the version that I installed on my Linux is 2.7.16. So to start writing Python program, we can just use a basic simple VI called my test.py. So usually Python script with extension .py. So for all the script, first line we should doing like this to indicate which scripting we're going to use. This is pretty standard for all the Unix and Linux script, Perl, Bash, or the K shell, C shell, and others. So the first classical starting script, we just want to print the hello world. So to printing the hello world, we're just using the command called print. So we call it the this is we are hard coding printing hello world. So let's save this and let's make a minimal goes to other. So card to make our script executable, chmod ugo plus x. We're just using this to run. Currently our script is printing hello world. So we just so let's just run. So you can see we just print the hello world. This is a hard coded print the hello world. This is called model 1. And we can also print the hello world using another way, print using the bracket. This is the way of number 2. So let's see. Save this. Let's go this as so let's run. You can see in this both way they're going to printing the same way. So because it's a scripting, we can also use the variable. So let's say starting put some variable first a string. They call the 1. We just call the this is year of, and we call the number year equal 2021. So now we have two variables. If we want to printing this, we can use print. We can number 3 way to print plus the number called the star this is wrong because we have to equal to this is equal to assign the value. Our value of the string number 1 is this year of. Our number year is number 2021. So we will print this way, and our 3. And so let's save our program. And let's go to and let's run. You can see the number 3 way to print is this is year of. This we can use a variable. So we can also use variable. Other way is bracket, number 4 way, and str1 number year. In this way, there are going to be something different. So let's try to see how we do. Clear. So you can see if we have 1, 2 commas there, and there be going to be with the comma separated in the bracket. So, but if we print it, if we don't use a bracket, number 5 way, using separate, let's save this, and let's go back to here to run. You can see if we don't use a bracket number 5, which is like not, there's not comma between the variables. So there's, and we also use build a string to print. So let's say to print another one, number, month equal 02. Okay, so let's say, and then we build PRT string equal number 6. This is year of bracket 0, month of current bracket 1. So we can build our string with a place we can use the variable, and then we can use this to print, and PRT string dot format, and what the format is number 0 is the year, so NUM year, and NUM month, and so now let's see, this is the number 6 way to print out with our format string. So let's save our program, and let's go to our clear with run. So you can see in our build out string we have this place for variable, this place for variable, and number 0 is year, we put here number year, month of number 2. So there's also other way we can do use, and print number 6, 7 way to print, and this, okay, %s and year of, and %d is means the year, and month of %d, which is the number, and we use the percent, because the %s is star 1, and the first %d is NUM year, and NUM month. So this is number 7 way we can print with our variable. So let's save this, and that goes this terminal, clear, run. So you can see this number 7 way, this is the year of, print from our string, and number 2021 is the year and the month of 2, right? So even this way, we can also set up the standard length. This is for the month. We want to the 2.2. We always print 2 of ones. For this year, we want to print 4.4. So let's see for this again, and goes to clear. So you can see where our month is 2 digital right now, because we specified we want to print 2 digital. So this is also very useful way when we want to print in format, especially in the table. So hello, this is Hui. Thanks to watch my video. Hopefully this is useful, enjoyable, and it's going to be great to have your feedback. Thanks.